folks, so an allotment is usually 3 times the size of this. This is what's called a plot. So it's only 10 metres by 10 metres. And when Elaine came here in August, it was like that. It was just weeds. So the shed went up, put up the polytunnel, built the beds, filled them with soil, got the worm boxes going to make fertiliser, and look how much fruit she's growing. That's just in 1 year. So a year ago she didn't know anything. So how about you go in and she'll show you some of the plants that she's grown, and then we'll show you how you actually do it, how you get from kitchen waste to fabulous salads, delicious and nutritious. Okay?
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you can. All right. All right. In you go. Okay, so in Grow Food Nature's Way, we're copying the forest. In the forest, all the organic matter from the leaves, from insects, from everything falls to the ground, and the worms convert it into fertiliser. That's why the trees are so big and healthy every year. We do the same. We take our kitchen waste, we take our garden waste, and we feed it to the worms, and they'll make fertiliser. So you can see here we've got carrots, we've got apples, we have got tea bags, coffee grounds, apple peel, all excellent worm food. But some things are too tough. Worms don't have teeth. So for some things it would take a long time for that breakdown. So what we have here is a chop box, and we're going to chop these leaves which are tough, and we're going to make them into a pulp that the worms can enjoy. So we take this and we start chopping. Your turn. Nope, it's not pulp. We want a pulp, a mush.
Is that good enough?
No, that's not a mush. More chopping.
Is that good enough?
No, that's not a mush. Getting better, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Getting better, keep going, keep going, keep going. Is that good enough? Not good enough. More, faster, faster, faster. More, 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 more. Brilliant.
Is that good enough?
That's pretty good. So it's getting to be very small pieces, and it's starting to become a pulp, a mush. What do you think? That better?
Yeah.
That better worm food?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what do we do with it?
The worms.
Right, where do the worms live?
Over there.
In the worm box. So do we put this on the surface of the worm box? Where do worms live? Do they live on the surface?
No.
Or do they live underground?
Underground.
Right, so the worm world is dark and it's moist, so there's no use putting the food on the surface. We've got to bury it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go and do that now. So you hold the chop box. Okay. So this is a worm hotel. This is the best place for worms to live. They live near the surface and they like a nice open bedding layer. There's lots of air there for them, isn't there? And it's nice and moist. It's perfect for make and thread the worm world. And we put a chopped up kitchen and garden waste there. Cover it over, and the worms, there they are there. We'll break it down. It's party time for worms. Okay? Do you think the worms will be able to eat that easily? Because we've chopped it small and made it moist for them. Okay? Water on. 24/7. All day and all night they're working away, breaking down that food to make fertilizer. Okay? Right,
Yeah.
let's go over and use the fertilizer on the soil. Okay, so when we feed the worms in the worm box, then they are able to eat our kitchen waste and our garden waste. These worms, they can eat half of their own weight every day. So they're absolutely amazing at converting our kitchen waste into fertilizer. So now we take the fertilizer from the worm box and we spread it onto the soil to make the healthiest, would you help me with this? The healthiest, the most fertile soil. We put worm cast on top of the soil and then fork it in. This bed is full of worms and all the time they are making the soil more and more fertile. So now if we just make a hole, now you'll notice the soil is really loose. We don't need a spade because we've never stood on the soil. Does anyone know what kind of plant that is?
Tomato.
It's a tomato plant. Does it look happy or not very happy?
No.
I don't think it looks very happy. What's the problem? What's the problem?
It doesn't have any worms if you put it in the soil and mix it with. Oh my god, it's too small.
It's been trapped in a pot that's too small. So what we need to do is get it planted out. So we dig a hole a wee bit deeper than that. Put some worm cast in the bottom. Loosen up the roots and it's going to do extremely well. A little more worm cast round about. Fill it round the soil. You do that. And then press it down really firm. Someone else like to plant one?
Me.
Okay, so you've been asking me a lot of questions. It's my turn to ask you a question, a very important question. What is the most valuable material in the world?
Gold. Diamonds.
Wrong. I can live without gold. I can even live without diamonds, but I can't live without soil. No soil, no food. Soil is the most valuable material in the world, so we should look after it, don't you think? And then we'll have plenty of food. So let's try this second tomato, see how healthy it is. Oh, terrible! It's trapped in the pot. Who's going to plant this one?
Me.
Okay, make a hole. Yeah, here's the fork. What did we put in the hole? Worm cast.
Worm cast.
We'll loosen up the roots. Put them in the hole. Put soil round the plant. And press it down really firm. Now if someone would go and get the watering can, that would be excellent. Any more plants to go in?
This one.
Okay, let's plant it. Bring it over. Make a hole. And then what do we do?
Put it in.
What do we put in the hole first?
No, worm cast.
Worm cast fertilizer. And then
Take out the pot.
let's see how it is. See if this happens. Ah, it's even worse. Look, it's been trapped in the pot. So do you think it'll be happy when we plant it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you plant it. Push soil round about it. And press it down really firm. Excellent! So just think how much food we're going to get from that tiny area. Well done everyone.
We really have to begin to ask ourselves some serious questions, like where does the fruit and veg we buy and eat come from? What was the soil they were like when they were grown in? Was the soil treated with things I don't even know about? too much fossil fuel was used to grow them. You see, I don't actually know the answer to these questions that explains me.
But what we do know now is that if we buy as much as we can locally from places like GYO, neighbourhood, community, gardens and from enabled and social enterprise and communities, then we know that we are doing the best for our family and community to keep them as healthy as possible.
So with some knowledge and some pots or planters, anyone can grow the tastiest and healthiest food, even in the middle of a city. Apart from getting a few packets of seeds, any community can convert its kitchen scraps into food, glorious food. Now that is smart. So now all we have to do is tell the world.
In the meantime, let's eat. It's time to picnic. I'm starving.
Thanks.
Oh my god, a fly! A fly! Anybody's gonna eat stuff! There's a fly there!
I'll help you, Amber, right? It's okay, I'll help you.
Oh, it's actually harder to cut the tomatoes with this nice
Right, that knife.
Do you want to swallow?
It's still it's hard to just find me.
Do you want me to cut it for you?
No,
And then you can help Amber with these peppers.
no, it's actually my job to like actually cut the tomatoes. Ah, now I'm getting somewhere.
Aki, cut my
God.
pepper with it.
Look inside that. Look inside that.
So good. I love that. Are you nice? Yes, tasty. Really good. Thank you very much. We've had a fantastic day.
Well, I think you've been wonderful, so thank you very much.
I got the opportunity to speak to Liz Doctor earlier today, Anchor's Assistant Director. Liz is in charge of the GYO Neighbourhood Garden. We had an exclusive look at the groundbreaking plans for the Friendship Garden, a community allotment site that will be built in Hunters Drive over the summer. This is what Liz had to say about the various projects Anchor have funded. We wanted to start creating allotments as a place for our tenants and local residents to come and socialise and learn more about the benefits of growing your own food. Research suggests that allotments and community gardens can improve people's quality of life, contribute towards an increase in well-being, help to curb exclusion, increase physical exercise, encourage a nutritious diet, support mental health and helps people to relax, tackle CO2 emission, reduce packaging, support more sustainable waste management, increase social interaction, strengthen social ties and networks, secure our food supplies and even reduce perceptions of crime. We rented the plot Eglinton Growers in August last year using a small grant and a donation from the North Ayrshire Food Bank. Training was provided by Greenway, consulting the advantages of using worm boxes and the benefits of healthy eating. The community services team provided us 3 assistants by preparing the groundwork and installing these beds. Hazelton Horticulture provided the plants and compost. We originally started with around 8 volunteers, mainly tenants who were all unemployed, some of whom were suffering from issues such as depression. Elaine and Melanie have continued to tend to the allotments over the winter months and have told us how their life have changed as a result of taking part in the project. A result of the pilot project, I've now received funding from Big Lottery Awards for all to create another bigger community allotment in Hunters Drive Urban, which is currently a community garden and mainly unused. The aim is to have 25 to 30 raised beds which can be let to families and householders for a small fee of £1 per week.